what is the central theme? Like, if I wrote for Eater, why would I want to write about this? Why would I want to cover this? Why would I want to put this in my AM Intel? And Danny Meyer had a really great quote on this about how he came up with concepts for his restaurants. He created around either the location, the chef, or the concept. I think those are the three categories he thinks about when he, creates a new restaurant concept. Usually for me, the concept or space comes first. I think you need to really remove yourself actually from that position and think about the customer, think about, again, food media, because you're not going to have a successful pop-up if you don't have people coming up. There's no point. It's going to be worthless. So you have to think about that and kind of create the pop-up around that. Not pop up and then how do I get people? It's like, what do the people want? What is it that they want? What is it that they need? What's the problem and how can I solve it? And pop-ups are those platforms for you to test out those solutions. But I think people are just thinking of it entirely wrong and approaching it wrong, where they just literally think about the pop-up.